Could you use a natural way to soothe your head? Check out this essential oil head soothing blend by Simply Earth. You're gonna love it. In this video, I'll talk about what's in the blend, how you can use it, and make sure you know how to use it safely. This blend is made up of whole wood, lavender, and frankincense essential oils. These oils are naturally soothing and create a wonderful aroma. Here's how you can use this blend. Try diluting it and putting it on a roll-on and applying it to the back of your neck and massaging it. Another great way to use this oil is with a heated massage stone. Just dilute your essential oil in a carrier oil, apply it to an area, and then take your warm stone to massage it in for some great soothing relief. This blend is also helpful in a diffuser. Just put a few drops in your diffuser and let it diffuse. Take a deep breath and let it soothe your mind. This essential oil is generally safe for kids aged 2 and up. You can dilute it and use it on their skin. Make sure to use a good dilution rate of 1% or less. They can also be diffused around them. We don't recommend using this oil around cats as they may be sensitive to some of the oils in this blend. If you do have a cat, leave the door open so your cat can leave if the aroma distresses them. We do not expect there to be any problems using this oil around a dog. For DIY essential oil recipes with this blend, check out the blog post in the description box. Thanks for watching. To learn more about essential oils with confidence and clarity, subscribe to these videos.